Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for October 12, 2020. Happy holiday. So today the Columbus Day is also a holiday in Canada. So the market is very low volume. So the market get up and continue put it upside after they be able to break out this resistance level here. So the last 3 days the market is really bullish and it continued to the uptrend. So right now we are very close to one level of resistance here. So probably the market needs some pullback a little bit, okay, before they can find the momentum to put it higher. So if you look at a smaller time frame here, I have been showing you in the last couple of weeks, the market go here, they have a strong resistance here, now they'll be able to break out and continue to the upside. Okay, so let's see where the market is heading to. As long as the trend is still up, we will stick with the uptrend, even though they pull back, and then we will tell you exactly where they're heading to in the future. So if you are a day trader, you can see that the when the market opened today, they pull back down a little bit, and after they break out, they found a support here. They hold the support, and then this one used to be resistance, now becomes support. They hold up, they break out, and then continue to the upside. So that's where we guide our member in the expert trader group, so they be able to maintain the upside and make some quick profit, and then for the day. And if you follow on the weekly market forecast, a lot of sector still doing well. SLU, okay, they are right at the resistance here. So let's see they be able to punch through it, or they have to pull back a little bit before they can go higher. And IWM is also pretty strong to the upside. They are trying to fill up the gap here. And the IBB, this is the biotech, it's also very strong today, and the retail sector is very bullish. They continue to stay in the upside, and those stocks in the sector that we showed you yesterday, it's still doing very well. Like the $3, you can see there, DECK, let's see, a strong one there, big lot. It still goes sideways, but it's still in the upside. And HIBB, that's another strong one. It's a little bit extended, but it's extremely bullish. And a lot of big cap stock like Avo, we showed you yesterday, it's doing extremely well today. As you can see, Walmart, it also puts it up strong, and Microsoft, it's also in the upside. INTU into that's another beautiful move to the upside, and CSGZ, they all put it up very strong into the bullish mode. Okay, so also the Bitcoin today, they attack off after they continue to be the way and break out, continue to the way and break out after they be able to break out a downtrend line here, and the momentum has shifted to the upside. Okay, so that's all we have for you on the market update today. If you not member, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will let you know. And if you would like to learn how to understand the financial market, how to do day trade in the future to make a quickly daily income, and you can learn how to swing trade and make more profit potential, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We will see you on the next video.